What's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Holochain. What's the current price of Holochain? What's the price in so in the Holochain? In this video, I will show you, my friends, and this is the latest update of the Holochain. So keep watch this video till the end for more and better understanding. And before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video. My friends, first of all, if we talk about the price of the Holochain this time in the market, so 0.006062 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Holochain. Furthermore, if we talk about the price change of the Holochain, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change so the Holochain is negative. Only the yesterday, the last 24 hours price change is positive. Except of these, the previous change of the Holochain is negative. So let me show you the price chart. Oh my goodness, at this time the situation is going wrong. Holochain is completely gone wrong at this time, my friends. But that's not mean that the price is going to decrease so you decide to sell. No, my friends, don't be disappointed. That's only for some hours. For some hours the price of the Holochain going to decrease, but after some hours decrease, remember, after a falls there is a pump. So the huge pump is coming soon, and I'm sure after a few hours the price will again start increasing. So why you decide to sell? Don't decide to sell, and please hold it. Be satisfied about Holochain. Personally, I'm very satisfied to the Holochain because Holochain is a good cryptocurrency. If you look the previous month changes of the Holochain, so the previous month changes is positive, but unfortunately now in the June month the price of Holochain is going to decrease. That is fine. The June month is the bad month of the Holochain, but don't worry. In the last half June, I know that they will take a pump. Anyways, how do you feel about Holochain? Please tell me in the comment box what is your opinion, what is your target for a Holo. Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.